You just got off the plane and you're so tired to waiting for taxis. Do you want me to tell you an easier way? Renting a car makes everything much easier. Saadat Rent Company will deliver the car to you. It, Saadat Rent Company will deliver the car. Saadat Rent Company will deliver the car to you at the airport, and you can drive your own car without any delay. For example, taxis and airports will start from 25 dirhams, and they will probably charge you between 70 to 100 dirhams if they take you to your hotel. But in Saadat Rent Company, you can rent a car with 100 dirham or less than 100 dirhams. Yeah, sounds unbelievable, but you can rent a car in Dubai with less than 100 dirham, but in Saadat Rent Company. You just need to go to our website, Saadat Rent Dubai, and choose your car. For more videos, subscribe us.